Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will be playing Beyond. Oh, they got some videos? No, let me see that video. Let's see if it's good. Let's see if their trailer good. See if their trailer good. Their trailer better be good. Okay. Okay, let's get back on Beyond. Okay, I see you when I'm on it. So, bye. Okay, guys, so I'm on it. Yeah, and I don't do nothing. What, guys? How am I? No rank, but I'm level 361, guys. And my character, I don't know. See, well, I don't know, guys. Let's just reset that. Because I don't know if somebody glitched my account. Okay. Because it shouldn't be that level. This is my first time doing this. Okay, see, and it just glitched again, guys. So I'm let's see. Yeah, this, guys. I don't know. I'll see you when I'm back on it, guys. Just wait. I don't know. It didn't do it. I think somebody literally glitched my account though. Okay, I'll see you back when I'm on. Okay, guys. It's on, so I hope, okay, let's just do it. Load Beyond, load, okay, my map is glitching, okay. When did I get this character, guys? I don't remember. They say shift is how you run, and space is how you jump, of course. And it's like a real ninja when they teleport. They say they'll be like, W's how to do something. Oh, let me see. Yeah, W's how to do that. S is supposed to do something too. And A. And E supposed to do something. And Q. He's so quick. Look at him, guys. Shift. Do I have something? Let's see. Yep, I got a little kunai. Oh, I got some jutsus. Somebody glitched my account, but I'm hyped they glitched it because I'm so much levels. Let's go reset my character because I don't want to be here. I think I want to go to her. Yeah, now I can be here. Let me go fight them. Because I am a bad guy, and this is the skin I would get if I was actually playing. This is the skin I would get. Let me see if I can climb this now. Hey, why can't I get chocolate feet on that? They never told me how to get chocolate feet. B is how to do shadow clone. Okay, I don't know what that means. Water style, water wall. Lightning style. Lightning style. Oh dang, I thought that was gonna be epic. Oh, that thing following me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nay, yay, yay. He left me to run. Run, easy. I'm dead. No, don't come after me. I think I'm not dead. I don't know. What about this one? I am dead. Let's try to kill these guys. There it is. There's these two guys. I don't. Ooh, I think I see him. But that's all water. I think this place is near the Heavenly Village. It's supposed to get through. If it's not, it's supposed to be. Okay. Let's get up another way, guys. I hear a rustling gun. Sure, I hear a rustling shuriken. So. This is supposed to be the Heavenly Village. Where is the mushroom place? I think it was supposed to be the mushroom place. Oh look. I don't know. Let's do water slide while I'm on this. So they can't get me. Water slide water. Don't know. Rasengan! Bye-bye. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Yep, this is supposed to be near the Heavenly Village, so some part. I think it was near the Heavenly Village. What is this place? Let's find this white. I have to get my weapon out. I have to stay on guard. Look, I'm not doing chocolate heat. That's cool. Damn.